Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to boost your system or laptop speed. Do one setting only. Okay, open run command and type on run command sysdm.cpl. After type this, hit enter. Now system property open. Now click on advanced option. After this, click on performance setting. Click on advanced. Now click on change. Okay, uncheck this automatic option and click on customize. After this, type here 2048. This one also same 2048. After type 2048, click on set button. After this, click on OK. Click on this pop-up OK. Click on apply. Click on OK. Okay, click on OK. This system will be restart. You click on restart now. Apply this, change settings. You do it this setting your own risk. This video is only education purpose.